First on 11 Alive, Georgia's seen another round of severe weather. A lot of you likely woken up by the wind, rain, and thunder. Over in East Point, crews were cleaning up from downed trees and power lines while trying to restore power to a lot of homes in the area. A similar scenario in parts of North Georgia. 11 Alive's Erica Murphy spent the day in Rome, where damage was even more severe.
Some members of Georgia's Rome are picking up the pieces today after a strong system of storms rolls through, leaving some devastating damage in its wake.
Everybody was scared, but no one was hurt.
Okay. Tara Evans works at the Maple Quick Stop convenience store on Maple and East 20th Street in Rome. She typically opens the store on Saturdays at 6 a.m., but on this day, Tara got quite the scare when Georgia's latest bout of storms rolled through town.
It started, the wind, it just started storming. The wind, the rain was blowing sideways, and then all of a sudden, what we thought, something hit the store. We thought it was lightning, but it was a big tree in the back of the stores.
The huge tree crushed the back of the building, destroying a game room, knocking out power, and leaving a huge mess. It's unclear how much it will cost to have that building repaired. Signs of storm damage were found all throughout Rome on Saturday, and cleanup crews were out trying to clear away tree limbs so that Georgia Power workers could secure wires torn down from the storm. Hundreds of Georgia Power customers were left without electricity. Reporting from Rome, Erica Murphy, 11 Alive News.
And there are still a lot of people in Floyd County without power right now. The tracking site poweroutage.us now shows around 2,200 customers still in the dark.